Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make a chocolate yogurt face mask. It's so good, so tasty, and very beneficial to your skin. So if you're interested, just keep watching. Okay guys, so first I'm going to take my yogurt and I'm going to go ahead and put that in another bowl where I'm going to mix all my ingredients in. Next, I'm gonna add my organic cacao powder, which is full of antioxidants that help protect against free radicals, which cause wrinkles and decrease production of collagen. Next, I'm adding a few drops of pineapple juice, which acts as an estrogen, and it also contains bromelain enzymes, which are very, very beneficial for your skin and body. Now I'm adding a couple teaspoons, I'd say, of honey, which has numerous of amazing benefits for your face and skin and health overall. But since it's in the face mask, it'll make your skin glow, and it also helps with acne actually. So next, I'm going to be blending these ingredients really well. Make sure you take the time to set intentions into this face mask. It sounds silly, but if you always set intentions with the things you are doing, it'll work a lot better, I feel like. So if you want to skip to this part where I mix, you're more than welcome to, but I feel like it's almost satisfying to be mixing my own face mask and knowing what I'm putting onto my face, free of chemicals and harmful ingredients. And so now for my favorite part, of course, I had to try it because it smells so amazing. I honestly felt like eating it. I almost started just licking my little spatula. But this is so satisfying and it felt so cool and refreshing on my skin. So I highly encourage you guys to try this out. The yogurt just makes it so nice and cooling, and it's just so fun to put it on and leave it on for a while, knowing you're doing something good for your face and something good for yourself. Because although you're just applying this to your face, honestly, it just lifts your spirit because you know you're taking care of yourself and you know you took those extra 20 minutes just for yourself. Today was honestly a really crazy, hectic day for me, and this really just slowed everything down, and it made me just appreciate my day, even if it was a long, crazy, I don't know, just crazy day. This really just made me, bring some peace in my life and really appreciate life in general. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up if you like this face mask. I hope you take the time to try it out yourself and Let me know what you think.
It smells nice.